Hello kids, hope all of you are good. Today your mother teacher topic is India physical. Let's talk about it. India is a large country. There are desert, thick jungle and big rivers in India. It has long coastline and beautiful beaches. Some of tallest mountain in the world are located in India. India physically divided into 6 parts. Let's talk about these 6 parts. Number 1, Northern Mountain. The northern mountain of India has very high mountain called the Himalayas. A mountain is a portion of the earth that rises steeply from the surrounding area. A chain of mountain is called a range. The Himalayas are world's highest mountain range. They form the northern boundary of India. It has some of highest peak in the world. Many important rivers of India such as Ganga, the Yamuna, the Indus, the Brahmaputra start from the Himalayas. As the snow is in the Himalayas start to melt in spring, the river swell up and flow down the lowest area towards plain and thick forests. Number 2, Northern Plains. The south of the Himalaya are the Northern Plains or the Gangetic Plains. These are flat lands with many rivers flowing through them. The Northern Plains very fertile and most suitable for cultivation. The plains are very densely populated and the plains are usually very hot in the summer and cold in winter. Desert. Northern western part of India into state of Rajasthan. The landscape change here where we find miles and miles of sand. This is known as the Great Indian Desert or the Thar Desert. This region experiences hot, dry summer and cold winter. The population in this region is very sparse and as it is difficult to live in extreme conditions. Deccan Plateau and the Ghats. The southern part of the India is a peninsula. A peninsula is a large piece of land jutting into the sea. It is surrounded by the large water bodies of 3 sides. The India Peninsula has Bay of Bengal to the east and Arabian Sea to the west and Indian Ocean to the south. This region of India is called Deccan Plateau. A plateau is the raised portion of land that is flat on the top. The Deccan region is very rich in minerals. Coastal region. The Deccan Plateau is bordered on the east by the range of mountain called Eastern Ghat and on the west by the range of mountain called the Western Ghat. The narrow strip of land along the west coast and the east coast form the coastal region of the country. The climate is neither too hot nor too cold. The eastern coastal plain is bordered than the western coastal plain. Island. An island is the piece of land that is surrounded by the water. India has many islands. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are a group of islands in the Bay of Bengal. The Lakshadweep Islands are group of islands in the Arabian Sea. So let's talk about facts about India physical. Number 1, India is the 7th largest country in the world. India is both China and India are located in the continent of Asia. Number 2, the villages in Rajasthan depend on the camel as the main means of transport, known as the ship of the desert. Number 3, the Mount Everest is the highest mountain of the earth. Number 4, the Himalayas are home to the 3rd largest ice deposit in the world. Number 5, the desert cover more than 1/5 of the earth's land area. Number 6. The plain lies to the south of Himalaya. Number 7. A desert receives less than 10 inches of rain a year. Number 8. A lot of animals that live in the desert are nocturnal. Number 9. 20% of the world's land surface is desert. Number 10. The Sahara is the largest hot desert on the earth. Which part of the India shows the northern mountains? Please write in our comment section. Hope you all kids are able to learn and recognize the physical map of India. If you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe my channel and also press bell icon. Thank you for watching. Thank you for support.